Hi there and welcome to Andy Robinson RC, and cheers for checking out today's episode on the channel. And we're here at Stanley Park in Blackpool with this, the newly built 2021 Black Edition Grasshopper 2, which is on kits 47471, I think that's right. So we built it, it's all done, didn't take long to do. The only real problems I had, because it's an easy kit to build, is the front servo posts. I had trouble screwing them in for some reason, no idea why. Go away, fly. But it just didn't want to do it. But we got them in there eventually. Other than that, simple, straightforward build. We've got the 540 can in there, which we said we'd upgrade it with. We've got ball races throughout, and we've got these lovely little orange wheel nuts to match the decals. Now, on the unboxing video, I mentioned that the shocks looked like a lighter, more silver colour than the ones off the Racing Fighter and the RX Fighter Buggy Memorial Edition, and I put them side by side and they are definitely lighter. Now, whether that is something to do with the plastics that the batch of plastics are currently using at the moment, or they have generally made a lighter coloured shock, I don't know, but I quite like them. I think they look good. Other than that, it was pretty much a straightforward build. Stickers went on nicely. I'm pleased with how they went on. Now, the only things that I never like is the wraparound stickers that go on the front of the bars on the body. Now, if they come off, what I will do is I shall just paint them silver like I did on my other black Grasshopper that I've got. But yeah, so really, what we're going to do is we're going to give it a bit of a run here and see what it's like. So actually, one comment I thought I'd make is that I always think that if you've got the, like on the Super G, if you've got the Grasshopper 2 with the oil shocks on, it sits a bit high for my liking, compared with like buggies like the Rising Fighter, the Mad Bull or Fighter Buggy RX, Mad Fighter, and even the normal Grasshopper and the Hornet. They sit a bit lower. But it's not, you know, you could alter that. But anyway, it's just a little niggle. But let's put this down and we'll see what it's like. Okay. So just remember, we are using just a 540 cannon bearing, so it won't be like lightning fast, but should be still a bit of fun. Oh, we've got the front wheels lifted then. I'm not sure though, this still, even though it's got the 540 in bearings in, it doesn't feel as nippy still as my Super Storm Dragon. That feels still quicker. Now maybe because it's got the ABS plastic body as well, and it's a bit weightier, I don't know, I'll have to weigh them and find out. But, you know, just doesn't quite feel as zippy for whatever reason. But other than that, I mean, you know, it goes nice enough. I'm looking forward to running this at Blackpool and Field Car Club. It's going to be in the Grasshopper class. But yeah, it still looks cool. Woo! That was quite cool. Didn't expect it to be that for some reason. And got a big piece of grass stuck in the back. That's gone. You can hear it still hopping around, hence it being a Grasshopper. But no, I do it like this. This is what I like about these cars. I can have, oh, my transmitter is bleeping at me. I can have as much fun with these as I can with like a big expensive race car that goes a heck of a lot faster. Yeah, just in case anyone thinks I didn't put the poles out with the flags. They're already here. But yeah, it runs nicely. And there you go. There it is. Yeah, liking that a lot. Looks good. Goes like a Grasshopper should do. And the oil shocks do help the dampening of it. I think what it could do with doing maybe is being ever so slightly softer oil in the rear. You just get the soft damper oil in the kit, but I think it could do maybe in that bit softer on the back end. But other than that, it's all good. So there we go. That is the Tamiya 2021 Grasshopper 2 Black Edition. Okay, so cheers for checking this one out. Much appreciated as always. Thanks for supporting our channel. Don't forget you can find us on Instagram and on Facebook as well. And we'll see you on the next one. We have got another build coming up soon. We've got the Tamiya Opel Calibra V6 DTM touring car to do. So that'll be coming soon. Plus I've got the Tamiya Bullhead. And still I've got to show you the, what's it called now, the Camtech mini racer going as well. So that's all coming up on the channel, so if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to check those videos out. I'm going to leave it there. Look after yourselves, take care, and we'll see you all very soon. See ya.